equality for humanity. And I always believe God was at the center of the show. Wearing my national costume from Ati-Atian Festival, province of Aklan. My name is Apple Heart Morales. I'm 20 years old and all the way from the capital of the Philippines, the biggest, largest city of the Philippines, South and North. I'm from Caloocan City. And tonight, this is a beauty pageant. Allow me to stand by in your one and only Empress. Yes, I am. Ako nga ang babae, minsan na rin pong nagpatibok kay Mr. Cheese Escudero, your one and only, Miss Binibining Heart Evangelista. Miss Binibining Heart Evangelista na nagbibigay paalala sa bawat kandidata. Tama na po ang paramihan ng corona dahil ay turing na wala sa aming mga kandidata, kundi nga sa baraha. Judges, always my truly national costume at Ati-Atian Festival, province of Aklan. Thank you. Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Wala po bang pwedeng jowain dyan? Joke lang po. You know what? I always believe that the physical attributes of a person in time will change, but the goodness of the heart will last for a lifetime. That's why once, should be careful with your thoughts, because your thoughts may become your words. Your words may become your actions, and your actions may become your personality that will mold and define one's destiny. A glorious and glamorous evening, people of Barangay 123 is standing before you is a fresh and innocent, just only 16 years old this summer, but truly hailing all the way from Tondo, Manila. And I am currently studying at National Teachers College, Manila, taking Humanities and Social Sciences strand. This is Jace Montero. But since tonight, this is a competition, hayaan niyo po kong hiramin ang pagkatao ng isa sa may pinakamagandang muka sa trans pageantry. Opo, ako nga po, Binibining Cassie Pakula. Cassie Pakulan ho na nag-iiwan ng isang kataga o isang katotohanan na kung gusto mong respetuhin ka ng kapwa mo, matuto ka rin lumispeto. Maraming salamat po. For a glorious, spectacular evening, beautiful people, I always believe that love is the essence of life because its wonderful feeling can be found in the hearts of everyone.
to the simplest, and to the highest craftsman here on earth, so unfathomable, yet surreal, is standing in front of you is a graduate of Bachelor in Public Administration, and I am currently taking my master's degree in Public Administration from Pamantasan ng lungsod ng Valenzuela. I am Lloyd Angel Pangilinan, and I am proud 22-year-old listener, hailing all the way from Barangay 121, Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a pageant, distinguished panel, Board of Educators, and to all audiences tonight, so let me sing back the name of your one and only. Ako po, ang babaeng bida na. Ay, day! Kontrabida pa. Ako po ang babaeng minsan niyo pong sinubaybayan sa La Vida, Lena. The world has one speak, your one and only, Miss Erich Gonzalez. And I am proud as I am wearing this modern Filipiniana ballet costume, which gives significance not just only the people here in the Philippines, but rather to our hard working farmers. Kaya wala pong personalan, magtatanong lamang po ako, nasa na nga po ba ang ipinangakong 20 pesos na bigas? Judges, mark my number because I can give you a show and a night to remember. Thank you.
Sayaw ka sa kadalanan, ginamit ang tanang katawhan. Sa ulubog ta ang kapistahan, sa kutyagang kilabihan. Ihalad ta ang atong bunga, buligan ta sa mga kasa. Si San Carlos Borromeo ang puanta, sa kahitasan mo salita. Pinta Flores, maglibay ta Pinta Flores. Sayaw ta Pinta Flores, awit ta Pinta Flores. Pinta Flores, maglibay ta Pinta Flores. Sayaw.
Paano naman ho ako gaganahang magpakilala kung walang baon ng Barangay 123 ng isang masigabong hiyawan at palakpakan dyan? Maraming salamat po. De, sashimi te, chilado, pashamigi bembeza, mostra tudo que se sabo, Kyukaba, Analisa. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Instead of saying, sobrang Latina, why we should not say, sobrang Pilipina ng babae ba? Och! Joke lamang ho. A young girl standing here in front of your naked eye is indeed fresh. Yes, fresh na fresh. Indeed, 17-year-old stunner, hailing all the way where the Lakbayong Festival and Santo Niño de Tondo are celebrated. Tondo, Manila. My real name is Heaven Humawan, a currently senior high school student taking humanities and social sciences. But tonight, this is a beauty pageant. Allow me to carry the image of the one who captures the heart of Mr. Gerald Anderson. Minsan yun ho akong napanood. Minsan yun ho akong napanood sa Mirabella. at pinanood niyo na rin ho ako sa sinehan sa Unhappy for You. Bigyan ho natin ng masigabong palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Miss Julia Barreto. Miss Julia Barreto na naniniwala sa isang kasabihan na bago mo sundin ang tibok ng puso mo, sundin mo muna ang sigaw ng nanay mo. Once again, this is Heaven Umawan. Greeting you all, anong ulam? Joke lamang ho. Mabuhay. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest show.
Thank you so much. That was our candidate number 17. So candidates, please prepare for our swimmer competition.
Sayaw ka sa kanalanan.
To become what you are is to become of what you are capable of becoming. For every living soul has its own talent, perseverance, and wit. So never be afraid. Just be yourself. Maayong gabi! 1, 2, 3. I am Luis Sicat, 19, taking Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, from my beloved university, Universidad de Manila. At opo, scholar po ako ng bayan. And tonight, and I always strongly advocate and to inspire that each and every one of us, that regardless of our sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression, we should always choose to be the truest representation of ourselves and never be afraid to show it to the world. And tonight, since this is the pageant, please do allow me to carry the image of your one and only, the multimedia superstar, ang artista na, vlogger pa, Miss Alex Gonzaga. I-check nyo pa. Isang pagpupugay sa masaganang ani at sa pinakamasisipag na magsasakang Pilipino. Dahil ngayong gabi, lubos ko pong ipinagmamalaki ang higit pa sa isang kasuotan, ang pagdakila at isang paalala na sa bawat pag-aararo ng lupa, binhing itinatanim ay may buhay, may pag-asa, at may kinabukasang umaani ng tagumpay. Masaganang ani from Palay Festival, probinsya ng Quezon, Pilipinas. Good evening.
People of Tondo, Manila, hep hep, hooray! When I say ho, you say ha. Ho, ho, hot dog. Tonight is a beautiful celebration of diversity,
femininity and inclusivity. And for us, the LGBT community, this event will forever be a proof that we will always be part of what you called society. Naimbag, napintas, ken naragsak karabi kadatayo amin, or should I say, what a glamorous and a spectacular evening to each and everyone, to our distinguished and honorable panel of the Board of Judges. Ma'am, sir, and to all of our audience tonight, magandang gabi po. Standing in front of you is a 22-year-old stunner. I am hailing all the way from the municipality of Umingan, province of Pangasinan. I am currently taking my bachelor's degree in tourism management in one of the most prestigious universities in our province, the Finmayupang College of Urdaneta. And for this evening, allow me to introduce myself. I am ML Venus Tukay. And for this evening, hayaan niyo pong mag-iwan ako ng mga katagang hindi bastos at hindi nakakatawa na kailanman sa buhay natin bilang tao ay hindi pamantayan ang antas o estado ng pamumuhay o pinag-aralan meron ka. May only be your one and only Ilocana beauty queen on stage, but allow me to compete until the end, and I will give you a lasting show you'll definitely remember. And for tonight, I am very much proud and dignified to wear an authentic costume that represents the Roman Catholic Church and pays tribute to the Mother of Christ, the Holy Virgin Mary. Marami pong salamat.
Always believe money has been part of history, but only if you can bend history itself. On this day, I'll be spectacular and public display, and we can bend history, and that is our story. Good evening and mabuhay. My real name is MJ Medalla. But tonight, hayaan niyo po akong mas painitin pa ang pantropiko niyong gabi. Yes. I am Beanie. Yes, Beanie. Aya. Beanie Aya is a 20 years old stunner from Marikina City and a graduating student from Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Santa Mesa, Manila. This costume is inspired from modern Panagbanga Festival and originally crafted by Bong Acosta. Thank you and enjoy the show!
Wearing a festival costume cannot be defined on how big, huge, glamorous, or shiny your festival costume is. But I certainly believe that wearing a festival costume can be presented on how are you going to present it with gratiat, elegantiat, or what we call as grace. and elegance. I am proudly wearing right now the festival costume that commemorates the arrival of the Panay people straight to the Panay Island called Iloilo City, the Dinagyang Festival. My name is Janelle Siege Garcia, 28 anyos mula pa po sa bayan ng Marilao, lalawigan ng Bulacan. I'm a proud to be magna cum laude graduate from Far Eastern University and now a licensed software engineer by profession. Or isa po sa mga lisensyadong inhinyero ng Republika ng Pilipinas. But since tonight this is a beauty pageant, allow me, Board of Judges, to introduce myself further. Opo, isa nga po ako sa mga baklang nakalusot sa pabilisan ng pindutan, sumagot sa mga katanungan na puno ng kalokohan, at nagpakita ng aking talino at galing sa showtime. Yes, I am your Miss Q&A Intergalactic 2019 semi-finalist. But since tonight I need to borrow a specific personality, allow me to borrow the sexiest vixen of this generation. The one and only Cassiopeia from the fantasy called Encantadia, your one and only Miss Solenn Yusuf. Solenn Yusuf saying, batid ko po ang ating mga orado bilang una hanggang 6 ay sadyang mga intelihente at mga edukado. Kaya't ba't hindi pa po natin ibigay ang 100% sa baklang mayangking ganda at talino dahil lagi po nating pagkakatandaan na hindi po batayan ang panlabas na kaanyuan at hubog ng katawan upang ikaw ay hirangin na reyna. Sapagkat pag ang puso, utak at bibig na po ang nagsama-sama, siyak maiiba ang batayan ng tinatawag niyong ganda. And I thank you.
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. My dear panel board of judges, my loveliest audiences tonight, I always believe that there is only one thing that makes our dream impossible, and that is fear of failure. For I believe that failing is another form of winning, and that is learning. My name is Bim Bim, or Ranza Almadinin. I am 24-year-old stunner, who actually hails all the way from Barangay Holy Spirit, Quezon City. And I'm proud to say that I am one of my barangay's HIV and AIDS advocate. A Bachelor of Science in Public Administration graduate from National College of Business and Arts in Fairview, Quezon City, graduated with the highest distinction, magna cum laude. But since tonight this is a battle of beauty and brain, allow me to carry the image. Hayaan niyo po akong gayahin ngayong gabi, si Miss Ivana Alawi. Ivana Alawi na hindi na magsasabi ng bastos o nakataw-katawang kasabihan. For I know that the panel or board of judges are credible and know what they're doing to distinguish a real queen tonight. Bago ko pulisanin ang entabladong ito, ako lamang po'y magpapaalala na hindi lahat ng may tattoo ay adik. Parang si Dora, laging may dalang bag, hindi naman siya nag-aaral. Thank you.